Hey guys, so in this video we are going to have a very interactive conversation with Umang Agrawal. As you can see in this background image, he has solved over 1500 problems on Codeforces, CodeChef, LeetCode, AdCoder, HackerRank, GFG, HackerEarth, etc. on all these platforms which are recommended for coding and competitive programming purposes. Umang Agrawal uses a very interesting username Skylax. If you Google Skylax, you will find all his profile will come CodeChef, Codeforces, LinkedIn. We are going to talk to him in details on every aspect of his journey. So I welcome you, Umang, to this talk.
Thanks for the kind introduction. It feels nice to give back to the community by sharing my journey.
Feeling is mutual, Umang. It's great to have you on our session. So let's jump right into your journey and talking about how you did different things. Okay, so first of all, I would like to ask you a question like why did you do competitive programming in C++ and not in Java, Python or any other language?
C programming was a part of my academics in my first year, so it was quite easy for me to switch to C++. And one of the reasons for choosing C++ was the STL, which is a standard template library, and it's a master library for all the data structures and algorithms, which is used most of the time in competitive programming.
That's very accurate. As you also read about C++ on online platform, you will see C++ is highly efficient when executing some high level problems of high intensity, high data size and other things. So STL also helps in CP. So for CP, C++ is the most preferred language, even more than Java and Python. So if you are willing to go all out in CP and want to score a good rankings, rating, contests, etc. So C++ is the most preferred language. If you want to make a serious journey in CP, so C++ is the most preferred language. You will also find most of the solution in C++, tutorials, editorials, etc. So now moving on to like how did you learn DSA? What are the resources you use so that students can take help from it?
I used many of the resources, some of which are Topcoder STL tutorial, HackerEarth DSA tutorial, and so I read many of the blogs on Codeforces as well. I have also explored CodeChef certification preparation program where there is a list of all DSA and competitive programming topics along with many problems based upon SPOJ or Codeforces or CodeChef as well, and there is also resources of all the topics.
That's wonderful. We have added links to all the resources that Umang has mentioned in his answer. You can go guys, check those links and start preparing from them as well. You can also check our other videos of DSA roadmap and etc. so that you get a better idea how to do that. So the next question I would like to ask like which platforms you started, which order you used and which platform is good for what purpose. Okay, so please let us know about that.
I heard the word competitive programming in my third semester from one of my friends, and then I started with CodeChef. I gave many long challenges on CodeChef, and once I was able to solve 3 to 4 problems in the long challenge, then I got the need for learning data structures and algorithms, and then I started learning DSAlgo along with exploring standard template library. And once I was good at long challenges, and then I started a short challenge on Codeforces and AdCoder, and I also practiced DSA problems on LeetCode.
So this is a very unique case. Like Umang has started directly from CodeChef, but lot of students what they do, they first go to HackerRank, GFG, LeetCode, and then they go to CodeChef. So one size fits all. So different students have different paths. So you should also take a decision what helps you and suits you better. So let's look at you are Umang. I checked your profile. You are a 5-star on CodeChef. You are a expert on Codeforces. So I would like to know how much time it took you to reach to that level from the beginning.
I started competitive programming in July 2019, and so it nearly took me 1.5 years to reach 5-star on CodeChef and expert on Codeforces. But I'll say that everyone has his own time span, so it depends upon person to person.
So it took you around 18 months to become a 5-star coder and expert on Codeforces. Okay. So see guys, so there are a lot of students who achieve it in a faster time, like 6 months, 10 months, 12 months, or some take even more time. So it depends on your different journeys, how you're taking it. Also depends on how much time you're putting in on a weekly or a daily basis. So my next question to you is like how much time you were able to devote to it on a daily basis.
स्टार्टिंग में मैं सिर्फ कॉन्टेस्ट देता था एंड धीरे धीरे फिर मैंने अब सॉल्विंग स्टार्ट करी, तो एज सच कुछ टाइम फिक्स नहीं था कि इतने आवर मैंने पर डे दिया है. एंड जब मैं लॉन्ग चैलेंज देता था तो आई यूज टू इन्वेस्ट ऑल माई 10 days इन दैट लॉन्ग चैलेंज. एंड later on when I came to short contest, then I started up solving problems and practicing problems in the problem set section of Codeforces, where usually I made a target to solve 3 to 4 problems per day.
Okay, so there weren't any fixed number of hours that you study. You put in more times when you were doing long challenges and slightly lesser when you did problem solving. That's around 3 to 4 problems per day. So at least on an average, lots of students put in like 2 to 4 hours per day on CP. Like some semester when they are initially in the initial phases, then they go around contest. Like if there is a contest, they put in more hours. If there is not a contest, they don't put in too much. So let's move on to our next question, like which are the key topics, algorithms, data structure, concepts that students should follow in order to master CP?
कुछ मेन टॉपिक्स और टेक्निक्स मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा, जो कि पहला ग्रेडी एल्गोरिथम्स, एंड द सेकंड वन इज बाइनरी सर्च, 2 pointers, एंड बेसिक ग्राफ एल्गोरिथम्स लाइक BFS, DFS, connected components, detecting cycles in a graph, and bit manipulation. These are the topics I will suggest for getting good at CP.
I think that's a very helpful list of topics. We will also mention that in the description so that you guys don't miss and make sure you learn all this. So now the questions come, like lot of students, they get stuck at 3-star and 4-star. They do lots of problems, they participate in lots of contests, but they are not able to improve their rating, or they are not able to upgrade their problem solving skills. So what is your suggestion to those students, like how they get ahead?
If you are stuck at 3-star or 4-star at CodeChef, it means that you don't have much knowledge of DS Algo. So I'll prefer up solving problems which you can't solve during the contest. हो सकता है कि वो जो टॉपिक है जिस पे वो क्वेश्चन बेस्ड है वो पहली बार आप एनकाउंटर कर रहे हो, तो यू शुड वॉच video solutions or read the editorials on CodeChef blog or CodeChef Discuss forum, and also you can watch other solutions how they have written the code after the contest, and you can learn via this. The only way to get good at CP is to practice as much as problems you can, and that's the only shortcut and the long cut as well.
I think this session was really insightful. Thank you, Monk, for your time. So if you like to say some parting words to the students who are watching it, who are either in somewhere in their journey or at the corner and thinking to start their CP journey, so please say.
Okay, the last words from me to the students watching this video is to कि मेहनत करते रहो और ratings और rank पे ध्यान मत दो. The basic skill which you are gaining from competitive programming is the problem solving. So उस पर ध्यान दो, learning पे focus करो, not on the ratings or ranks. Thank you.
So it's an extreme delight for me to host you here. So thank you, Umang, for giving your time and your valuable advice to our students.
And thank you, sir, for having me. It was a nice interaction.
So I hope guys आपको इस वीडियो से काफ़ी हेल्प मिली हो, काफ़ी इंसाइट्स मिली हो. ऑलमोस्ट हमने सारे क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लिए, बट इसके बाद भी आपके मन में कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स एंड आस्क देयर. आई विल गेट दोज क्वेश्चन टू उमंग एंड गेट दोज क्वेश्चन आंसर्ड इन द public way so that you can learn what you wanted to know. So now you guys, you can check out our Kickstart CP bootcamp. It's a 30-day bootcamp where we teach you from the very basics of what you need to know in order to succeed in CP. So we help you solve at least 100 plus problems on LeetCode, CodeChef and Codeforces. And at the last session, we help you participate in a live coding contest. Not live, but virtual coding contest on Codeforces. This course is also taught by Umang himself. So Skylax will be there to help you and guide you, and you will be able to learn a lot under his able mentorship. So if you are interested, you can check the intro video. You can also check the demo of first session, and you can also subscribe to our channel and get lots of updates in the future.